A simple robot that jumps 100 times higher than its size can help us explore not only the surface of the Earth but also the surface of the Moon. It was developed by experts at the University of California, Santa Barbara. One idea is that there are obstacles on the surface of the Moon and Mars, and it may take a long time for a robot with wheels to cross them. In contrast, jumping robots can cover a wide area over a long distance in a single leap. Such robots are expected to cover a distance of 0.5 kilometer on the Moon in a single leap, because the robot is housed in a simple structure based on a carbon fiber spring. The robot created by Dr. Elliot Hawks and colleagues at the University of California, Los Angeles uses energy in much the same way that we use the energy stored in our muscles to propel the corn or jump on its legs. The total weight of the experimental robot is 30 grams and the gears and springs attached to it are rotated by a small motor and energy is accumulated in them. When the energy is released immediately, the robot leaps straight to the sky. Experts have also called it a great technology to conquer the Moon. In addition, it may be easier to build robots to help with disasters and tsunamis on Earth.